Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Tavian's World of Reptiles. I hope you are all well and taking care of yourselves. It has been a while. I know. I've got a lot going on with me. I am in the process of moving again. As it happens when you are in a roommating situation, not things turn out to not be as compatible as you would like them to be, and so I am moving for multiple reasons. One of them being the fact that I'm too far away from work. So I'm going to be moving closer back into town. So I guess you could say. But yeah, I wanted to catch up with you guys because, like I said, it's been a while. I didn't want to leave you guys without content for too long, just because I've got what's going on with me going on. So yeah, as you guys can see, I've got doors open. Ignore the dirty glass. I gotta do a lot of cleaning. I'm in the process of cleaning, so the room is messy, the space is messy, everything's messy. But yeah, so got the doors open, and Taipei is on her way out, doing her thing. Well, she's been in and out. She's going in and out of her enclosure right now, and Rumpelstiltskin is only peeking. Not sure if he really wants to come out or not. Let's see up here. Cruella is taking a peek out. She's not often venture out, so it's always exciting when she gets even a little interested. I kind of just spooked her back in there, but yeah, she's doing good. Oh, look at that. Check it out. Check out that shed. I was actually looking through a number of my enclosures this morning, and there are quite a few sheds happening. I've seen a shed in Little Lestat's tub, and I also saw a shed in... Who else is shedding right now? Oh, Luna. Luna has shed. Let's go check out Luna. So Luna is tucked back there. You can sort of see her face there. And over there she has got a poop and a shed. There it is. Over there, the shed. Poop in a shed. Poop in a shed. So I'm going to have to clean that out. But she is doing awfully good. Again, excuse the mess that you will take a glimpse of in my room because, as I said, I am in the process of moving. So things are really messy right now. I've got packing stuff all over the place. I've got just the floors are dirty. There's just no point in vacuuming until it's all said and done. So please excuse that mess. Here's Cruella up there. Actually, let's tell you where Shere Khan is. Ah, there he is. He's sitting right on top of the enclosures up here. Sorry again, it's messy up here, dusty. I haven't really done any deep cleaning. I'm in the process of packing everything up. But there is Shere Khan. See if I can get a better angle. Where you at? There you are. Hello. Hello, Shere Khan. Are you enjoying your climb? Huh? Are you enjoying your climb, precious baby? Yeah. Yeah, I know Dad's room is a mess. You're telling me to clean this. Clean this mess. But yeah, so hello Cruella. So yeah, that's what's happening with me. And let's see what else update has that. And Artemis had her last shot. I tried to do a video, but I was in a rush, so it really didn't turn out the way I would have liked it to. So I didn't even bother with posting it. But Antiope had her last shot. Her lump is not going down. It doesn't seem like it's gone down at all. I'm gonna give it I gotta give it another couple of weeks of healing and see if it does, and if not, I'm gonna take her back into the vet and see what other process needs to happen from there. But as of now, there's been no noticeable change to Artemis's face. And she's still the exact same as she was before. She's still very active, seems fine, but that lump is still there, and I am concerned about it. And there goes Cruella sneaking off into Shere Khan's enclosure. They're all going to get really upset with me soon because I'm going to have to clean out their enclosures and put them back on paper. And none of them really appreciate paper too much, so they're not going to be too happy about it, but that's just what's going to have to happen until it's time to move and I get resettled into my new place, which should be okay. It's gonna be it has my own little private entrance, so I'll have a key to my room, and like I don't have to interact with people if I don't want to, except to like when I have to go to use the bathroom and the kitchen. But otherwise, like it's my own space, so I'm happy about it. And I got my own entrance. I don't really have, like I said, have to go and interact with people. It just makes it easier to keep life separate, and then hopefully avoid too much confrontation from happening if we're not at all in each other's space. So that's just what I was looking for because the housing market is out of control. Where you at, Cruella? There you are. Yeah, it's like you gotta find. I was looking for a studio, and there wasn't even a studio for less than $1,000, and of course they want you to make, you know, 2 to 3 times that rent. So I was really struggling to find something that I could afford on my own, as a lot of people are these days. So anyway, I don't want to keep you guys. I don't want to keep rambling and stressing you guys out about anything that doesn't need to be stressed out because it's my problem. I have found a new place. It's good. I'm moving in on the 1st. It is a long way off, but at least I have found a place and I'm not down to the grind like I was the last time I was looking for a place, which is what landed me way out here, outside of town. So, but anyway, yeah, there you guys go. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you're taking care of yourselves. I will try to make more videos, but during this time of moving, I'm just like really distracted and um, until I get moved and settled again, I'm probably going to continue to be distracted. But like I said, I will do my very best to get out some videos about some things, let you guys know what's happening. I still got to do. I got to do at least 2 tarantula rehousings that definitely need to be done. So hopefully those are videos that will come soon. They shouldn't take long for me to do, so I should be able to do them. It's just a matter of me like focusing my brain and doing it. So anyway, I appreciate you guys sticking around. There's been some new subscribers. I appreciate you guys subscribing. For those of you guys who have been around for a while, through all these weird dull loops that I've been having, I appreciate you as well. Anyway, you guys take care. Love yourselves, love your loved ones, love your reptiles, and you guys keep spreading those herbs.